Greetings, everyone. We are EmPower and we want to see you wear our cultural identity on the go. Here at EmPower, our team has extensive experience in social business, key relationships with dynamic NGOs and NPOs, and professional insights in the women's fashion industry. As is seen in our profiles, we are compelled, capable, and committed. As female consumers ourselves, we identified the following problems. Fast fashion contributes to 10% of CO2 emissions annually and 85% of waste of textiles, which necessitates a trend of circular business models. In Vietnam, 22.2% of ethnic minorities women live in poverty, and to bridge these gaps is the mission of EmPower. EmPower aims to become the local leader and Vietnamese symbol in the sustainable fashion industry and accelerate the world's transition to slow fashion. And as a social venture, we help to achieve 4 out of 17 SDG goals of the UN. Our target customer are Gen Y aged from 25 to 40 with income above 20 million dong monthly in major cities. They have strong free will, they prefer highly customizable clothing, and they want to create social impact through daily consumption and protect traditional art. They prefer local brands, prioritize the quality and design over price, and want their voices to be heard by the brands. Gen Y seeks to make social and environmental contributions. For them, fashion is not just a means of self-expression, but also shows their lifestyle and their values. And we'd like you to meet a loyal customer of ours. This is Ms. Giang Nguyen, a 35-year-old manager living in Hanoi with her family, and she wants to honor her cultural identity through daily office fashion, but modern, affordable designs are not available on the market currently. Regarding our market size, we calculate the total available market, Gen Y, making up 35% of Vietnam's population, in which 49% are females. Our estimated serviceable available market is over 2 million, and our market share is 1.5%, tallying over 32,000 customers. From the above analysis, EmPower provides a solution, a sustainable, ready-to-wear, socially conscious fashion brand. Our clothes are eco-friendly, chemical-free, and made from high-quality fabric produced by traditional weaving villages of ethnic minorities in northeast area of Vietnam. Now let's take a look at our competitors. Sustainability and applicability are two main criteria to categorize the Vietnamese local fashion market into 3 groups. In the bottom right corner, we have trendy clothing brands which adopt Gen Y's fashion style, suiting various occasions, but they are unsustainable. In the top left corner are highly sustainable brands with artistic designs, yet low applicability. And brands in the top right corner satisfy both criteria, with the epitome being Dong Dong Saigon, a brand that makes bags and the like out of recycling tarpaulin. However, their products are not suitable for formal occasions. And EmPower is in the top right corner thanks to our high applicability and sustainability. We offer ready-to-wear clothes suitable for various purposes with cultural patterns. Our unique selling points come from product and price. Competitors must trade off between sustainability and applicability, but we offer both. Other sustainability-minded brands offer a high-end price, while our price is affordable, which is the same price range as the applicability-minded ones. Now, as you can see, the differences between our products in terms of applicability, sustainability, and price compared to other competitors. Now let's take a look at our business model. Our revenue model grows on the basis of solid and well-nurtured offline and online channels. We expect over 50% of our revenue from 5 stores in metropolitans, 22% from a strong social media presence, and 14% from top e-commerce platforms. Our major cost drivers are labor wages at 36.7%, PPE rent at 33.1%, and advertising at 10.3%. Let's take a look at our key partners. They are Keep It Beautiful Vietnam, an NGO based in Switzerland, and EmPower Women Asia, an NGO dedicated to helping ethnic minorities women. And our founder is the vice president of IWA, and this ensures our unique competitive advantage of long-term collaboration with traditional weaving villages. And to increase the awareness of our brand and products, we collab with leading females in the fashion industry, including models, KOLs, and fashion designers. For delivery service, we shall partner up with Giao Hàng Nhanh, a leading logistics service provider in Vietnam, and another key partner of EmPower is the villages in Mai Châu, Hòa Bình, Vietnam, that provide us with raw materials. In terms of key resources, our resources are shown on the balance sheet overview. In 2022, total assets account for 92.51%. The long-term assets tally at 7.21% of total assets. And the share of current asset is projected to decrease as we invest in more long-term assets, and total liabilities are also expected to reduce as we intend to use equity to leverage, rather relying on liabilities in the long run. And the next slide shows our timeline and key milestones from 2021 to 2024, from inception to launch on both offline and online channels. From 2021 to 2024, we expand constantly by purchasing PPE and opening up 2 stores in 2023 and 5 in 2024. Towards 2024, we expect to witness radical revenue growth as we expand our business. And in 2024, our revenue peaks at over $260,000. And despite increasing expenses, the rate of revenue growth is higher. Thus, we maintain a positive operating margin. And as you can see in this chart for retained earnings, we see an increase in retained earnings, and this indicates that our business can upscale our social impact while satisfying our customers. And as you can see in our ratio, we show adequate liquidity, promising profitability, and reasonable solvency. We have identified the next steps for our business model, and currently we would like to seek advice on agenda number 3 and 4. And that is all about the presentation on the business model of EmPower. Thank you for listening, and we are welcoming questions.